Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really cute shadow box for you. This is my Wolfie shadow box. How adorable is that little expression on that werewolf's face? Just so much fun. You have his cute little claws there, his little grin, and then there's bats in the background. Just so much fun. This project comes together really easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, brayer, scraper, your shadow box, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between those layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in another way, go ahead and change the sizing options here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the orange, dark brown, black, white, light brown, and then brown. You can totally add foam squares behind all of the layers except for that backing piece that will add some really cute and really nice dimension. I am just going to layer everything inside the shadow box, so I'll go ahead and grab that now. Now I've already added the pins to this shadow box, so that's going to help push everything forward once everything is secure. And now I'm just going to go ahead and layer everything from front to back. And now I will add the backing and close up the shadow box. And there is our super adorable Wolfie shadow box. Wasn't this really easy to put together? I think adding the foam squares would really add some really nice dimension and depth to the design. It also would be perfect on a card as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Paper Crafts video. Bye-bye.